It's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything.
Okay guys, let's go make a video.
What's up, people?
Cheers! How was it?
Very good. Really good.
Well, let's talk about today. I want to share the experience we had just about 2 weeks ago and talk about some of the scams and stuff going on well, one particular one. There are many. We're not going to get into all the other ones. We're just going to tell you about the ones that we know of that just was attempted to be perpetrated upon us.
And this video is kind of warning to all the foreigners that wants to buy a lot over here or house in the Philippines.
Yeah, you have to be very careful, and we'll get to that in just a second. But firstly, I want to thank all of our subscribers, our new subscribers, and welcome them to our channel.
Yes.
Last week has been a remarkable week for our channel. We've gained another 5,000 subscribers just in the last week, and that's amazing, and we appreciate it very much. And
welcome to our channel.
Welcome to our channel.
Thank you so much.
And we appreciate all of our old subscribers, and some of you guys go back to the beginning 4 years ago, and we appreciate you guys very much also. And we've got a viewing audience now from around the world. Seems like most of our audience nowadays is from the United States and Canada, and even India.
Yeah, the whole wide world.
Well, it's the whole world. But it's
the all OFW. They like to watch our video too.
Oh, maybe that's it. A lot of OFW. Appreciate you guys coming and joining us. And in our channel here, we like to talk about thinking freely and being free, and we believe that's our natural state of being. And so we try to just live our life in that manner and share it with you guys, and hopefully it can be of some help along the way and help you in your decision making of how you want to live your life and how you want to even retire when you get older. So anyway, let's get started, and we're going to talk about a subject today. Actually, something that came to us about 2 weeks ago when Maurice received a text from a so-called realtor, and I had been out looking at different properties, and somebody gave my name to a realtor, and they contacted the phone number, your phone number, via text. And so let's just start out by reading that text, and we're just going to share this one kind of scam, that's done behind people's backs. Usually it's the foreign man that this is done on. So let's go ahead. Do you want to read the text that you received, and we'll leave the names out?
So here's the text from the realtor. I'm gonna read it in Bisaya, just the way she write it to me, and then I'm gonna translate it in English. She said, "Good morning, Mama Riz. Naami yuta for sale. Kaya nag-ingon ako nga si John naglantaw daw og yuta nga baligya kanang dako nga yuta. Tapos ang baligya sa tag-iya 1.2 million, pero ingna si John nga 1.3 para atong i-split ang extra 50-50 So each of us magbahin ta 180,000 pesos. So ayaw katug-an ni John nga ang baligya 1.2 ingna 1.3 para mapakit na to ang extra.
Amazing. Now you want to read it in English for
So,
our
I'm gonna-
English speakers?
I'm gonna translate to you in English. She said, "Good morning, Mama Riz. We have a lot for sale. Somebody told me that John is looking a lot, but he wants a big lot, square foot. So we have lot for sale that he's looking for, and he will like it. It's a big lot. The owner is selling 1.2 million pesos, but tell John it's 1.3 million pesos so that the leftover we're going to split it, you and me. So 50-50, and then you times it to the square footage amount, and then each of us get 180,000 pesos each. So please don't tell John the real price." And I was really shocked. I said, "What? I don't even know this person," and try to tell me to cheat my husband so that we can pocket the money from my own husband's money. So I was thinking, why would I? That's my husband's money and I will give it to you. So I was really shocked on that day. I said, I can't even, I was keep looking the text. Really? Did she really tell me this message? Is this true? And we just started to do the conversation, and all of a sudden, that's the one she tell me. And my mind is really shocked on that day. So
Is she a realtor?
she is a realtor. Yeah.
Yeah, and she works in one of the public schools. And
Deep,
and she works
deep ed, yeah.
What?
She's what they call it, deep ed. She's working at the school.
Yeah, it's one of the schools.
Yeah.
So, but then also selling real estate.
Yes.
And, so you got a person from the school trying to get a wife of a foreigner to trying to get to steal his money.
So I have a feeling this woman is working to the wife of the foreigner, and then she's she do this already. She has experience already a lot. She messaged to the wife that please tell your husband to do this price, and then the wife agree and then she got me. She messaged me, but she's not lucky because I never cheat John like that. I was really shocked.
So you're a good woman. Yeah.
So I think she's thinking that I will say, okay, I will tell my husband to buy this, buy that.
Yeah.
Oh my God. So she is wrong on that day. I said, no, I never cheat my husband. I'm sorry. I told her.
And as freely as this woman asked you that and put it in a text,
I got it.
somebody you don't even know, somebody you've never met in person, she never even felt you out to see what kind of person you are, whether you're scandalous like her or if you're a good wife, that she would do that upon texting you like that shows me that she's been doing this for a while.
I was really embarrassed myself to think I was thinking, really? I kind of insulted too because I was thinking that this person is thinking me that I'm a scammer to scam my husband.
I know it's sort of degrading to you.
Yeah, it's kind of insulting me. So
it's insulting to her and degrading and to you to hear it, to even be subjected to that kind of offer.
I was going to post it in Facebook, but I was trying to hide her identity also. Maybe she don't know what she's doing, because I know she knows. She has a lot of experience already, 100%. Every time she do this to the foreigner's wife, the wife is working to get the husband's money so that the wife can pocket the rest.
Yeah.
So not me.
So you foreigners, especially the men, it happens to the men mostly, be careful out here, and these kind of things go on frequently.
Yeah.
Very frequently. And then it makes me wonder, if I were to buy a piece of property from an actual, realtor, I wonder myself how many finder fees have been built into the price they're offering it to me. So if they offer something to you for 1.3
Yes.
million, there could be multiple
it.
finders fees from various people involved. That have been referred, offered a finder's fee if they help out on the deal. But then the men are being being deceived by many of the women or the wives that want to go along with the scandal. Very disappointing and shocking that they could be that dumb. Because I guess they get away with it here because I doubt there's very little, if any, law enforcement against realtors like that. If she is a real realtor,
Yeah.
she may just be posing as a realtor. I don't know. I don't know the details, so I can't speculate. But who knows? In the States, of course, or most parts of the world, you get caught doing something like that, you would be lose your license immediately and be subject.
Really?
Oh yeah, maybe you lose your license. But I wonder if she really has a license if she's behaving like that.
Yeah, maybe she's just a kind of a real estate, but it's not real. I don't know.
So any of you guys that are realtors from the Philippines know about this, well, you can't comment to us anymore, but you can always give us info on our Facebook page, our Turquoise Sunsets.
Yeah, this is just a warning to everybody that the foreigners that wants to buy a land or a house over here in the Philippines. Hold on to your pocket really tight and try to negotiate the price really down.
Yeah, really hammer on them on the price and be strong. Don't get in a hurry.
Yes.
They're trying to.
No hurry.
Over here in Valencia, we noticed that they're trying to whip up a frenzy over buying real estate because they have been fueling this market, increasing the values. But a lot of it's a bubble, artificial, because there really aren't people here that can afford these prices. It's just the foreigners coming in, they dump their cash, and many of them have to leave or get divorced or things, and they're never, the foreign man is never going to own the land. So whatever he does, he has to go into the deal knowing that he's doing this for his family and that he's never going to see a dime from it if they ever get divorced. So he has to do it with eyes wide open, as they say. And if you're willing to do that, I go for it. But as far as the purchasing process, make sure you hammer on the realtors and don't trust the lawyers either, because the lawyers play both sides of the fence. So you got to be very cautious of them and be shrewd and negotiate hard. That's the best advice I can give. And I even believe it's best not to own anything over here. We just soon rent at the moment. Or if you're going to buy something, or not buy something, if you're going to invest in something, invest in your wife's family estate, and then you're dealing just with that. You're not dealing with these shady deals that can come along. So
yeah, so their trick is, the real estate trick, they said that you better pay half now on this land because somebody wants to get it. No hurry, because nobody's gonna afford it. Nobody's gonna buy it. One thing I can say to the realtor woman that trying the best to tell me to scam my husband, you got the wrong wife.
I'd say shame on her.
Shame on you. You know, I'm not doing that. So next time, don't do that to me. Or try to get to know me first before you text that to me, because it's really insulted me. I don't like it.
I'm trying to get to know you first before they scam you.
Try to know my attitude first, if I will scam my husband or not. That's what I was trying to say. Try to know me first, like how many years you got married, like this, like that.
Yeah. She should have at least felt you out for some information.
Yeah.
She should. Maybe she assumes that all Filipino wives will do that to their husbands.
That's what I was thinking.
That's what you're trying to say.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I get it. Yeah, that's strange. That's frightening. So, us foreigners got to beware, be careful.
Yeah, be careful, everybody.
Yeah, poverty does strange things to people.
And make sure that your wife is not working to get your wallet.
Yeah, keep her fingers out of your wallet when you go to sleep at night. This one here took 10 pesos from me once.
You owe me load, that's it.
I owed her a load for my phone. Okay guys, hope that helps. Give us a thumbs up if you like it, if it's some use to you, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye, everybody.
I could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda right. kinda